Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a recent report from Bloomberg Intelligence which warns that the cryptocurrency market may be facing its first real recession. According to Mike McGlone, senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, the Federal Reserve tightening despite the risk of a recession could be a primary headwind for most risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. The report notes that central bank actions have delayed impacts, and most risk assets tend to fall during recessions, which could spell trouble for cryptos, which are among the riskiest. The report also mentions that the last significant U.S. economic contraction, the financial crisis, led to the birth of Bitcoin, and the possible coming economic reset may mark similar milestones. Regarding the price pain before longer-term gains resume, the report shows the Nasdaq 100 at parity with Bitcoin's 200-week moving average, which is relatively lofty based on the history of U.S. recessions. However, the report adds that buy-and-hold strategies may benefit at the expense of more speculative and leveraged strategies, subject to rising volatility typical in bear markets. The pandemic was a major disruption that may shape markets for years and sparked the greatest fiscal and monetary pump in history, which is still in the process of dumping. Typically, risk assets bottom well after the Fed first eases, which remains quite distant at the start of February. In conclusion, while the report warns that cryptos may be facing their first real recession, it also mentions that buy-and-hold strategies may benefit at the expense of more speculative and leveraged strategies. The report also highlights the potential impact of the Federal Reserve tightening on the crypto market and notes that the pandemic has had a major impact on markets that may shape them for years to come. It's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and highly volatile asset class, and it's always important to do your own research and make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, it's always wise to keep an eye on market trends and developments. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one.